Guys, um, I have a cold. Sneezing all day, all night. It's been great. um, this is gonna be a pretty short video. I just wanted to say that things got a little bit crazy, but it's dying down again now. So, hopefully I'll be able to post more, but, I haven't forgotten about your requests. I have them, I'm doing them. I have them, I'm gonna do them. I just haven't had time to recently. So yeah, that's what's going on. Oh God. Yeah. Sorry, I'm like half focusing on you guys, half focusing on something else. I'm sorry. There's people making noise outside my door. But yeah, so I should be posting again relatively soon. But I also want to address something, guys. I've gotten some, oh God, hang on, I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me. I've gotten some messages recently, and a few of them have been, on, like, the public area, like, what's it called? Comments. That's the word I'm looking for. Some of them have been on the comment section, some of them have been in private messages. And they're all like, well, not all of them, but the ones that I'm referring to have all been kind of like, hang on, sneeze. Oh, God. Sorry, I can't stop sneezing, guys. The ones on the, the ones on, the ones that I'm talking about have been kind of horrendously, pushy and in some cases disrespectful even. And here's the thing, guys, I've brought this up before in my videos, and I hate bringing it up again, but I am going to bring it up again because it's getting very, very annoying and disrespectful and just plain rude. So, shit, sneeze, sneeze, sneeze. God. Sorry. Yeah, so they've been very disrespectful and rude. And it's sad because most of you guys have been very, very sweet. It's just like a few of you who have been horrible. I feel like in the past I've mentioned that if that keeps happening, I'm going to shut down my account or take down my videos, but I've decided I'm not going to do that because I actually genuinely like doing this for you guys, and you guys, I know some of you oh God, I can't talk, I'm sorry. Sneeze. Sorry. I know some of you genuinely enjoy it, and I don't want to take down my videos or shut my account or anything like that, because it's not fair to you guys, and I enjoy doing it, so it's not fair to me either. So I'm not going to do that. So what I am going to do, though, is if you guys say rude things or just mean things or, whatever, like constructive criticism is one thing, but it's when it's like rude or just like you have some sense of entitlement or whatever, I guess. Hang on, I gotta blow my nose. Oh, God. Because I don't do this from, I get no gain out of this except that I enjoy doing it. So I'm not, I don't have to follow whatever, like your requests or anything. I do them because I enjoy them, but like, if there's something I don't want to do, I don't have to do it. And so I find it like, incredibly disrespectful when people are really, really pushy about that kind of stuff as well. So from now on, I guess, she's, I'm not gonna threaten to take down the videos again. I'm not gonna threaten to close my account again, but for now what I'm going to do is if you are someone who ends up posting those either in the comment section or in private messages, I'm just going to block you. Because it's getting out of hand and it's getting very, very annoying and very, very disrespectful, and I don't appreciate it. And like I said, there's like, sneeze, scenario requests, or, not even scenario, but just like requests in general, or criticism, like constructive, helpful criticism. These are all good things, and I enjoy these things, and feel free to post these things. But just be respectful about it. That's all I'm asking, because it's getting to the point where it's not fun to read the comments sometimes anymore. So I'm gonna go because I am gonna go to bed because it's 1 o'clock in the morning where I am, which is not a great time to be up when you're sick. So, love you all, and be nice to each other. All right. Bye.